Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has just come back after a whirlwind tour of Singapore and Hong Kong, urging investors to pump in top dollars into India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now headed for the United States, where he will hard sell the India story to the Facebooks and the Honeywells. At a time when the Chinese growth engine is slowing, India is stepping on the gas like never before. And back home, Modi's top bureaucrats are working overtime, laying the groundwork for fast-tracking reforms.
In terms of the priority and the direction of government policy in the coming months and weeks as we go to the budget, and it's not a case that the government will wait for the budget to take policy initiatives. Policy initiatives is a round-the-clock 24/7 exercise, and it will continue.
On the agenda are a host of initiatives, including higher foreign investment in private sector banks and DTH companies, and opening up of news broadcasting to foreign players. Also on the works is a new ECB policy to make sure that Desi companies have enough funding options. There is something for banks as well, which are struggling to cope with stressed assets. But there is a word of caution.
Obviously, we cannot take resort to fiscal or the kind of fiscal expansionary measures which were initiated about 5 or 6 years ago when the financial crisis hit the world markets, consequent to the Lehman Brothers meltdown in the United States. That kind of fiscal expansion which was undertaken by Government of India and by several other governments, today we don't have that kind of fiscal room.
Looks like North Block is sold on the India growth story. The government's chief economic advisor Arvind Subramanian says India is set to grow between 8 and 8.5% this year, much higher than last year's levels. And Team Modi is now hoping that RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan plays along. Nitya Balakrishnan, Ruchi Bhatia, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.